Hello everyone, it's Just a Dad. Today we're going to do a review and see if you should buy the Shark CarpetForce carpet cleaner. So this is model number EX500. They may have some other models like 501 or something. It's probably just a different color. But they do have this other one that's called the CarpetForce. It's EX551. This is the Hair Pro. And I would probably just get this one. This one has a special, you can see the video on it where I show you. It's got a little suction port here and here. This one only has suction out the front. That's supposed to help with pet hair. I didn't find that to work the best. If you do have pet hair, the Shark EX304 does a really good job with pet hair. But that thing's super heavy. This thing is super light. So you're gonna buy this super lightweight and easy to use. You're simply gonna turn it on. It puts solution down when you press the trigger. There's no water pump. If you want more solution down, it's on that. If you want less, you're gonna press that. You're gonna move that like that. Now I did purchase this with my own money. I wasn't paid for this video. I don't take free products and I don't take sponsorships. This is home of the honest review. But I do use links. If you purchase this product off my website, justadadapproved.com, or in this video, I am an Amazon affiliate. If you click on the link, the product's not gonna cost you anymore, but I do earn a small commission from the sale. Check out justadadapproved.com for my top picks for carpet cleaners, cordless vacuum cleaners, robot vacuum cleaners, and so much more. I've got the switch on. Now when I kick it over, it's gonna turn on. I'm gonna pull the switch when I go forward. Release the switch when I go back. And this should repeat the process over and over. If I have a really bad stain, I can go over it a bunch. Now I can go vacuum only, not pull the trigger, suction only. Very lightweight. This would be very easy to do my entire home with. That was an absolute joy to use. Very, very lightweight. All right, you're gonna take this dirty water tank. The top comes off, easy to clean, everything. Now the second part of this video, I do the unboxing. That's where I show you the brush roller, how to take it all apart, how to clean, how to mix the solution. I go over all the dimensions, all the specs. Again, if you want to see all the specs, check out my website, justadadapproved.com. I've got a grading score that I compare these with other carpet cleaners, Bissell, Hoover, you name it. You can see how they stack up against each other, but this is a really nice one. I absolutely like it. Lightweight, nothing fancy, no extra hose. That thing's super heavy, the EX304. Check out Just a Dad Approved, an unboxing on the Shark CarpetForce carpet cleaner. This is model number EX500. Here's everything that comes in the box. We got a handle we got to install, sample bottle of solution. You can use different Shark cleaning solutions, which I'll show you, and a power cord that you gotta, it's 20 feet long. So you gotta plug it in. It is a 3-prong plug in. Up top here, let's find the handle here. You're gonna slide it in until it clicks. This is your power switch. That's off. That's max mode. That's deep cleaning and that's light cleaning. So that's going to allow more solution when you press the trigger. So when I press the trigger, I'm manually letting solution down. When I press the trigger, that'll let more and that'll let less. This is the clean water tank. So you're going to take this over to the sink and you're going to fill this up with water to the water line right there. And then from the water line to the concentrate line, you're going to use this cleaning solution. Now, depending on what you have at your home, you can use any 4 of these cleaning solutions. It comes with this, but if you have pets, pro, or there's the essentials. I like the deep clean pet. I think that works the best. Okay, I like that the clean water tank sits flush. Again, you can fill this up with hot water from your tap. Just don't go over 140 degrees Fahrenheit. Again, water, then from the water line to the concentrate, this is why it says dilute. You'll pour this in. Up top, then you're just going to slide it in. Around back, the dirty water tank. This is the release button. Press this, rotate it out. So it's very easy. Pull this off, and then you're going to empty this out. That's where the dirty water is. Looks like that's like a hair chamber probably. does come out. All right, good. I like that. So we can take that hair chamber out. That's where the long hairs are going to go. There is a filter. A lot of times this is up like that, but pull this down. That's the float. Pull this, pinch those tabs. You have to clean that little foam filter sometimes. That's the float. Cuts suction off when it gets dirty. So you'll hear it change us. You'll hear the suction motor kind of get really loud whenever it fills up. And where's the max? So it doesn't, that's the most it can hold. Once it gets above that line, that float's going to go up and cut suction off. Let's put this back. It is very simple to operate. Put this in at an angle. Click. Nothing going on the bottom. There's no like switch, no hot air being directed down. So just very simple wheels right here, and that's it. Now there's a lot going on right here, and it's a little tricky. You're going to press these tabs. Okay, move them that way. This pops out. This is your suction port. So you can take this to your sink and get this all nice and clean. There's these little arrows. Rotate this towards you. It doesn't come off. There's a hinge there that's permanent, but you can take the roller out. So I can take this roller, replace it, to clean it, whatever I need to do, clean down in here. There's the suction port. The solution goes into here and is sprayed inside here onto the roller. Now putting it back together can be a little tricky. Put that in, you got to rotate it. There. Now push this down. That's going to be nice and flush. Then rotate this. It'll click into place. This is where the tricky part comes. And so you just want to kind of line these tabs up. I wish this was a little bit better. So kind of go in at an angle. Then you're going to push down and that way at the same time. Make sure it's nice and flush. Nice big carrying handle. Well balanced. Cord wrap. Very nice. Again, when you want to get the cord off, you just undo that. It's not super heavy, but with the clean water tank full, it will be pretty heavy. Again, you just put your foot here. Then you're going to go back. When you go forward, you're going to press the trigger. That lets solution down. Let off on the trigger. Pull back. You haven't suctioned the entire time. It's just you're in control of the solution. And all this is a switch. There's off. Make sure that's down all the way. Just there you go. Very simple to operate. Seems pretty nice. I hope this unboxing video helped. Thanks everybody for watching. Now the best place to go to find these robot vacuum cleaner picks is justadadapproved.com. Up here in the top header, you're going to see best overall vacuums, best for pet hair, best under 1,000, best under 500, and best under 300. Let's check best overall. I don't give you 20 picks. I give you 5 of my top robot vacuum cleaners with the score, but I have all the information to back it up. If you want to read the full review, why did I pick the Mova V50? Let's go see the full review. You can see the videos that I have right here to back it up. I have my 3-month real-world score test, my real-world testing results, cost to own, my robot specs that I think are important to robot vacuum cleaners, some quick buy it if, skip if, and then a simple review. Thanks everybody for watching. If you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button. Also check out where you can find all my approved products on my website, justadadapproved.com. You'll see a little link to it here at the end of the video. If you click on that, that's going to take you right to my website.